Square Scrub, the leader in orbital cleaning technology, is proud to present the Doodle Scrub EBG-9. Weighing in at 23 pounds, the Doodle Scrub gets in those tight spaces the big machines can't. Running at 4,100 RPMs and the same pounds per square inch as the larger machines, the Doodle Scrub can handle the toughest of jobs. By adding power and automation to what was previously a manual job, the Doodle Scrub drastically increases productivity. The Doodle Scrub deep cleans under urinals, behind toilets, and even works great on stairs. With the new patent-pending handle, the Doodle Scrub handle can be attached on the end or the middle of the base, allowing a more mop-like motion for absolute versatility. The Doodle Scrub can handle most flooring types, including tile and grout, and VCT wet or dry prep. The Doodle Scrub is easy to use and comes fully assembled. Doodle Scrub, it goes where you can't.